375. Not 375, sorry, my bad. 390. 390 divided by 504. How much is it?
Yeah. 0.75435.
So don't make it 0.75. So take that same thing. You have the answer option there. So it's already saved in your answer. Now press shift cos of answer.
One degree, 1 minute.
Second.
41 degree, 1 minute.
So it's 41 degrees. Right? Therefore, this particular latitude is 41 degrees. Alright, now you're asked to find out the distance and time along the leg MN. Right? So, did you understand what we just did? So here the mistake is not conceptual or equation based, it's basic. When you do the calculation, the calculator, when you rounded off things, things went completely wrong. Right? So, now considering the leg MN here, what is the distance MN? So M to N distance, so MN is along a meridian and therefore it's a great circle. So what is changing here? Is the longitude changing? No, only the latitude is changing. So what is the change in latitude? 37 degrees south, 41 degrees south. So what's the chill at?
4 degrees.
4 degrees. In which direction is the change happening?
South.
Towards the south, right? Now, therefore, the chill out is 4 degrees south. So, can I convert this to this? So, when I make this into minutes, it will be 4 into 60, which is
60.
240 minutes. And can I write it as 240 nautical miles?
Yes.
Yes. Why? Because it's along a great circle, and therefore 1 minute is equal to 1 nautical mile. So, it's 240 nautical miles is the distance MN. So, once you have the distance, I can find out the time taken from M to N. So time is equal to, speed is equal to distance by time. Therefore time is equal to distance divided by speed. The distance is 240 nautical miles divided by. What is the speed that you had from M to N? 280, right?
280.
Knots, right? So nautical mile per hour, you get the answer in hours. The 240 divided by 280. Is it going to take an hour, more than an hour, or less than an hour? Less than. Why? Because the meaning of 280 knots is you are traveling 280 nautical miles in 1 hour. But here you are traveling only 240 nautical miles, which means it's going to take less than 1 hour. Right? So how much is it?
0.85.
0.85, not 85. 0.85, right? This is in hours. Can you give me the answer in minutes? Yeah. Multiply by 60.
Uh, 51 point.
Yeah, so it will be 51 minutes. Right? So the distance from M to N is 240 nautical miles and time from M to N is 51 minutes. Understood? Right? Now take 2 minutes, go through the entire question and see what we have done here. So initially, we found the departure using the basic speed distance time equation. We had the latitude using which we found the Geelong. Because we know that if I can find the Geelong here, that's exactly going to be equal to Geelong here. Now, with the help of the Geelong and with the help of departure, which we found from speed and time, we found this particular latitude. Now, pay special attention to how we found out the cos of lat and then how we found lat from that. Press shift and any trig function will give you the inverse of the trigonometric function. You press shift and press sine, you'll get sine inverse. You press shift and press cos, you get cos inverse. You press shift and you press tan, you get tan inverse. So see what is typed in the calculator on top of the cos button. There's something typed over here on top of your cos button.
Yeah, cos inverse.
Cos inverse. In what color is that?
E.
Green. What is the color of shift?
That's orange.
And the cos is
Shift yellow.
Shift is in yellow. What about cos inverse?
That's yellow.
That's also yellow. So whatever when you press shift, whatever is in yellow will be the function which you'll be getting. Right? So just shift and then you can shift on the answer. Remember, one of the mistakes which we had here is rounding off the answer. So do not round off the answer unless you reach the final answer. Final answer, look at the options and if you wish to, you can round off. Do not round off. Carry as much as possible throughout the question. That is why they have given the answer option, because when you press answer, it's already stored. Entire answer is there in that, right? Cos inverse of answer, you got that. Now once you got the latitude, we can find the chilat, and we know that when you convert that chilat to minutes, that is exactly equal to so many nautical miles, because here I'm traveling along a great circle, right? I don't have that advantage over 37 degrees south and 41 degrees south. We cannot do that. It is proper departure equation. The cos of the latitude is also a factor in finding out departure, but here I can directly find out, and you got to 40 nautical miles. And now we have the distance and we have the speed with which we traveled, which is 280 nautical miles, and you can find time in hours, multiply by 60, and you will get the time in minutes. Make sense? Right? Very important question, but very, very easy question. You really have to understand this, and once you understand it, it's just a piece of cake. Alright, take 2 minutes again and go through it, and